Hello everyone, good morning one and all. This is Prasuna from Chesi Institute of Technology and Engineering in the branch of IT, bearing roll number 21K61A1230. This is the assignment given on 14th April 2023, submitting on 31st May 2023 under administration of Nageshwara sir. Whereas I am here to explain about optimal travel salesperson to using dynamic programming. In here we have to know the main difference between the dynamic programming and the backtracking. Backtracking is one of the problem solving technique in which we find out all the possible solutions and pick the desired solution from all the possible solutions. In dynamic programming, in which we find the optimal solution by finding all the possible solutions. First of all, we have to know the main definition of travel salesman. Travel sales problem is a combinational problem that deals with the finding the shortest and the most efficient route to follow for reaching a list of specific destinations, and there are various applications like computer wiring, mask plotting, and PCB production, and the vehicle routing. Vehicle routing is the very used daily life application in which when we have to go from the Tadepilgudam to Vijayawada, we have various ways, but we have to find the optimized way. So, vehicle routing is one of the example of the travel salesman using dynamic programming. Then we have to know the complexity of travel salesman using dynamic programming. The time complexity of travel salesman using dynamic programming is n minus 1 factorial by 2. And then we have to know the state space solution. What is state space solution? A state tree is a tree representing all the possible states of the problem from the root as an initial state to the leaf as a terminal state. And then we have to find the solution for the given problem. Here we have to find the shortest route to visit all the locations and the return. When we have took the application vehicle routing, when we have to move from the Vijayawada to Tadepilgudam, we have various ways, but we have to find the optimized route and we have to return the where we have started. So we have to reach the Tadepilgudam and we have to find the optimized way on it. Then this is the state space tree solution for the optimal travel salesman using dynamic programming. Here one is the starting node vertex in which 2, 3, 4 are the ways which we can go, and from 2 there are other locations 3 and 4, and 3 there is 4 to 1, and various like there are various ways to go and come back return to the same position 1. When we have took 4 to 1, the value is 7. 3 to 4, the value is 7. 7 plus 7, 14. And we have to compare the values for the 2. There are from 2, there are two ways, 3 and 4, 14 and 14. But 2 to 3, the value is 6. 2 to 4, the value is 2. And comparing by both these minimum, we have got the value 16. And comparing all these values, the minimum and the optimal solution for the given set of values is 19. Then we have to consider like this, and by comparing all these, the values are 26, 24 and 19. The minimum solution and the optimized solution is 19. And the minimum distance path is 1 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 2, 2 to 1. And then we have to combine with the formula and we have to test whether the given minimized route is correct or not. Then g of I comma s is equal to minimum of c of ij plus g of j comma set minus j, where 1 comma 5 value is 0, whereas 2 comma 5 value is 5, and 3 comma 5 value is 9, and 4 comma 5 value is 7. Then we have to find the way 3 to 4. The value for 3 to 4 is we have to consider the values minimum of c ij, whereas I value equal to 3, whereas j value equal to 4. And then we have, by considering all this, Whereas g of 4 comma null value we know 7. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14, and to find 4 comma 3 the value is 14. Likewise all to substitute in the formula, and we have found the value. The minimized value is 19 and the optimal value is 19. Thank you one and all for giving this wonderful opportunity.